Hey everyone, in this Bash Quickie, I want to show you how to toggle tailing and line wrapping with the less command. Then a bonus tip. I'll show you the long way, then the fast way. Open a log file like so. Less only loads the first page of a file, so type Shift F. Any new log entries will show up as they roll in, as indicated by this verbiage. To stop tailing, type Control C. To toggle line wrapping, also called chopping, use dash uppercase S. And any lines that were chopped will have this greater than symbol on the far right. You can arrow up, down, left, and right to move around the screen. And repeat the previous command to fold lines. If you want to toggle line numbering, use dash uppercase N. And rows on the same line will share the same line number as well. We'll exit less with Q, and if you want less to tail, chop lines, and add line numbers when it first starts, just add the options plus F to follow, dash S to chop, and dash N for line numbers. Thank you.